Episode 34. So there is something new what you see here in the passage and the kitchen area. This is just the plastering which we are highlighting, but what you see here is a chalk marking. It is not the chalk marking, it is basically POP powder marking which we have done on the floor, and on the wall you see the chalk marking. So this is actually basically today we are scheduled for a client meeting on site, wherein although we have kitchen 3D, but on the site, just to get a feel of the actual kitchen, proposed kitchen to be, just to make the client understand about the layout which is going to come up here. So we have done the chalk marking. This is the breakfast counter come the kitchen crockery unit, and followed by this is the plastering which we are showing, followed by the kitchen sink area. Now here the marking is like, you see there is some marking which is below, so that is the entire platform length, kitchen countertop length. So kitchen planning, I'll be definitely sharing it with you in a detailed video, wherein I'll be explaining each and every component of it, but that would be towards the completion, so that because at this moment if I explain, it will be difficult to visualize. So I think it will be better if I do it at that stage when the entire kitchen is done. But since you guys are seeing the journey, you should also know the entire process which went behind making of that kitchen. So yes, this is the marking which is all set for the clients to come. So after this, probably after an hour, I'll be having a meeting with the client. So coming back to the dining and living area, what you see is the curing of the plastering which is done. Here in the window area, I'll be covering that in the further video. Even the brickwork I'm going to change because the wall is not leveled. The brickwork of this part was completed in yesterday's video. Today what you see is the plastering has been completed. Yesterday the brickwork was covered, and today what you see is the fresh plaster which has been completed. Similarly, this is the concealed flush tank and your WC closet area. So the plastering of this ledge wall is also being completed. This section we term it as a ledge wall in the technical language. On the ledge wall there is a storage which is going to come up, but that is not going to be in civil. So that is the reason why the ledge wall is left to the height considering the flush tank element. In this bedroom, we are actually identifying the loose pocket in the slab area. So by tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I'll be in a position to tell you the condition of this slab. Moving ahead to the master bedroom. The patch slab strengthening which was already done yesterday was being covered. Today what you see is the balcony area. So I have actually waterproofed the balcony bed. And in the bathroom as such, it is only the curing which is happening. Thank you guys. I'm looking forward to see your comments with regards to any queries or doubts. Do share and subscribe.